Hey, guess what we're doing today? Let's play with clay. It's squishy, soft, and super fun to shape. Clay is like magic, it can change into anything. Let's start by rolling it in our hands. Roll, roll. Keep rolling. Can you roll it into a smooth, round ball? Wow! You did it! What should we make now? Let's twist it into a spiral. Look at that, it turned into a long, wiggly Nendo pal. Now let's make a tiny Nendo buddy. Roll it into a little ball. So small and cute. Let's stretch it, make it thin and long. Can you make a snake? Hiss. Spin, roll, slither. It's a wiggly, squiggly clay snake. I want to try making more fun shapes. Do you? Okay, gather around, friends, let's get creative. You know what's cool? We can smush it back and start again. That's totally okay. Let's spin it round and round. Spin it around, and around, and around. Whee! So dizzy, but so much fun. Now, let's make some silly eyes. Can you roll teeny tiny balls and stick them on? Round and bouncy, perfect eyes for our clay critters. Roll, 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 look. A squiggly bear just popped out. Let's make more friends for our bear. Squish the clay down with your hands, it gets so soft. Let's make a squishy clay blanket. Maybe even decorate it with fun patterns. If you're out of clay, don't worry. Just change your shape and start again. And hey, before you smush it, snap a picture to remember your masterpiece. So, what should we make next? Let's keep playing, spinning, rolling, and imagining all day long. Okay. Ready? Let's do this, let's play with clay. Thanks for crafting with us today. And don't forget, like and subscribe for more squishy, squiggly fun.